Vic. Fuck, ran this way, went over there. I don't know, there's not much blood. So what are we tracking, guys?
Tracking a bear. Spike.
A spike, huh?
The Exodus.
Oh, chano na yon. Blood right there, but not much. Not much blood. Where's blood?
A lot of blood. Don't say that yet.
Where's
man.
the blood? Oh, blood? Is this blood right here? Oh no, I don't see blood at all. That's blood right here.
Yeah.
Yeah, I think so. That's blood.
Get over here.
Oh, talilo, oh. We just jumped the deer. Not dead. After 4 hours, 5 hours.
7.
Deer not dead. What we're gonna do is come back tomorrow. Right, Vic?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, we're gonna see what happens, man. So what happened, Vic?
Different guy used his Exodus and he fucked up.
Shit.
And now we gotta chase the damn deer. Cause he did a fucking 2-mile run. No good.